Hi, this is the Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create an estimate on PayPal. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. An estimate on PayPal is a document a business sends to a customer to provide a projected cost for goods or services before a final agreement or invoice is issued. It allows business to detail proposed product and services with customers able to accept or request change, and the estimate can then be converted into a formal PayPal invoice for payment. So, what if you want to create estimate on your PayPal account? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our PayPal. You can log in into your mobile apps or you can open on the website. Here's I'm using a PayPal website on my laptop. Now, you can see on your home, there is an option create estimate. You can see in here. You can just click on that. And from here you can create your estimate. Now you can choose on the currency. For example, use USD. Bill to, you can enter the email, your customer email. Now you can add the item name. In tote bag, you can enter the quantity and the price. You can add tax, or if there's no tax, you can just choose no tax. You can add the description in here, it's optional. You can enter the another item maybe in here. Now, so it's same. You can enter the you can enter how much item. I only add 2 items in here. Now you can add item or services if you want to add another, but I will just skip. Now you can enter message to your customer. Now, so if you want to, you can add terms and condition in here, and or add preferences, add terms and condition. But I will just skip this tab. I will not. And you can add upload files for the attachment and memo to yourself after you finish. So here's your estimate. You can see the preview. So here's the preview. It's loading. So here's your estimate preview. You can check it. If you think it's good enough, you can accept the estimate or you can request change. If you want to edit, you can just click on pencil icon in here. After you finish, you can just click on send and send it to your customers. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create estimate on PayPal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.